I'm Ty with WTI, and I want to dive into the world of skateboarding with my Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 1 and 2. I grew up playing these games, so I appreciate the nostalgia this game brings, but it's also a great introduction to the series for newcomers. The controls are smooth and responsive, and it's one of those games that you can really play all day. The object of the game is to perform the best tricks and complete challenges in order to achieve scores that unlock new levels as you progress through the games. You can choose from a massive roster of pro skaters, including the legendary Tony Hawk himself, of course. And I played on my PlayStation 5, and one of the things I particularly like is the upgraded graphics and audio. The visuals are crisp and immersive, and the soundtrack is iconic. These games are an absolute gem for anyone who loves skateboarding or is into classic games. And that's my point of view.